Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can apply for the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first of all, you need to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. And once you open up your web browser, on the search box, you need to type in the link that is creditcard.wellsfargo.com. You can also find this link on my description box below. And as you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site, and on this page you can see right over here you have the information regarding the card, and underneath you have an option as apply now. So in order to apply for it, you need to click on apply now, and after that you'll be directed to the application portal, and on this page you need to provide your information. While you're applying for the active cash card of Wells Fargo, make sure that you already have an account. Only then you'll be able to apply for it. And you can see on this page you have a confirmation, as well as you need to provide your information regarding the bank in order to apply for the active cash card. As you can see, first of all you need to provide your personal information, and after that you need to provide your contact information. And once you're done with the contact information, you need to provide your financial information, and after you're done providing all of the information, there are terms and conditions. So before applying for it, make sure to go through all of these terms and conditions, and once you've done that, you also need to mark on this little box right over here in the bottom left corner, and after that you need to tap on submit, which is in the bottom right corner. And after you tap on it, on the other interface there will be a confirmation. In order to confirm, a verification code will be sent either through an SMS or an email. So you need to confirm it by tapping on the link, or you need to confirm it by entering the code, and once you do that, your application will be submitted. After that, you'll also be notified about the request for the active cash card, and within 10 to 5 days you'll be able to receive your active cash card of Wells Fargo. So that is how you can apply for it. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.